Have you heard about credit sweeps or companies claiming they can fix your credit in 14 days? If so, you need to be careful. A lot of people don't realize that many so called credit sweeps are not actually credit repair. In many cases, what's happening is someone files identity theft claims with the FTC under your name, claiming accounts on your credit report are fraudulent. The problem? If those claims are false, they may have been submitted under your name. FTC identity theft reports are legal documents, and filing false information can carry serious consequences. While you may think you're just paying someone to fix your credit, your name could be attached to information that isn't true. That's not a risk I would recommend taking. The truth is, real credit repair takes time. Under the law, credit reporting agencies generally have up to 30 days to investigate disputes. They have to review the information, contact the data furnisher, and determine whether the account should be verified, corrected, or removed. That process doesn't happen overnight. Can things be removed quickly sometimes? Absolutely. But no ethical credit repair company can honestly guarantee that everything, or even anything, will be removed. Every situation is different. I also tell people this all the time. You probably didn't damage your credit overnight, so don't expect it to be fixed overnight. Late payments, collections, charge offs, and high balances usually take months or years to build up. Rebuilding your credit is often a process, not an event. Real credit repair isn't about finding shortcuts. It's about identifying inaccurate, incomplete, outdated, or unverifiable information and challenging it through the proper channels. And remember, credit repair alone doesn't guarantee loan approvals. Lenders also look at income, debt, payment history, credit utilization, and your overall financial profile. That's why I believe credit repair should include education, strategy, and rebuilding, not just disputes. So if someone promises a 14-day credit sweep, ask questions, ask exactly what they're doing, ask whether they're filing identity theft claims, ask whether documents are being submitted under your name, and most importantly, ask yourself whether a quick result is worth the potential risk. When it comes to your credit, your reputation, and your future, it's always better to do things the right way. If you'd like help understanding your credit report and your options, send me a message or check out the link in the description.